Welcome to FOOBONG Direct Store. This iPhone 12 screen replacement kit has all tools you will need during the repair. One waterproof sticker, one magnetic screw mat, one screen protector, one iPhone 12 LCD display, one cleaning wipe, one pentalobe screwdriver, one Y-shaped screwdriver, one Phillips screwdriver, one tweezer, one nylon fiber spudger, one crowbar, one SIM card pin, two pry pick, one suction cup. Caution! Before you begin, discharge your iPhone battery below 25%. A charged lithium-ion battery can catch fire and/or explode if accidentally punctured. Power off your iPhone before beginning disassembly. Remove the two 6.75 mm long pentalobe P2 screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. We recommend using a screw storage for your repair. That way you can store all removed parts and screws safely and keep the overview. On our high-quality magnetic pad nothing slips, and you can arrange everything in an organized way. Start by placing a suction cup on the bottom edge of the screen. Pull up on the suction cup with firm, constant pressure to create a slight gap between the front panel and rear case. In order to be able to remove the glued screen more easily, after loosening the screws, use a hot air device, such as a heat gun or a regular hair dryer. Heat the edge of the screen by running the heat gun evenly over it, in order to soften up the adhesive underneath. Move the hard plastic plectrum once completely around the edge of the screen. Press it upwards at the same time to release the hooked lugs of the display from the rear case. Open the iPhone by swinging the display up from the right side. Don't try to fully separate the display yet, as several fragile ribbon cables still connect it to the iPhone's logic board. To remove the screen completely, you have to detach the battery connector, the two screen connectors and the one from the earpiece, which sits on the display unit. These are located under two cover plates. Unscrew the 6 Y-type screws from the two cover plates with a Y-type screwdriver and put them in your screw storage. Throughout this repair, keep track of each screw and make sure it goes back exactly where it came from to avoid damaging your iPhone. Then carefully remove the two cover plates from your device with a pair of tweezers. After removal of the cover plates, all 4 connectors are exposed. To avoid a potential short circuit during the repair, you should always detach the battery connector first. Use a spudger to go under the 3 connectors, one after the other, and carefully pry them off the logic board. Then put the detached screen aside. Since Face ID sensors are integrated on the earpiece and sensor cable, you have to take over the entire module from the old display if you do not want to lose the function. First, remove the 2 Phillips and 2 Y-type screws from the earpiece. Unfold the detached earpiece. Heat the glued sensor cable with a hot air gun. Use the point of a spudger to lift the proximity sensor and flood illuminator module out of its notch in the front panel. Remove the earpiece speaker and front sensor assembly. Preparing the new screen. Our iPhone 12 screen pre-assembled holder for earpiece, sensor and front camera. You can install it directly. Attach your old earpiece, including sensor cable, to the new display. Align the module and fold the earpiece back in. Press the sensor cable to the inside of the display. Press the sensors back into their guides. Be extra careful when pressing the sensors into their guides. In order not to damage them, they must all sit evenly. Finally, screw the earpiece back in place with the 2 Phillips and 2 Y-type screws. Reconnect the screen to the rest of the case. Attach the 3 connectors by carefully pressing them one after the other on the logic board. You should feel and hear them click into place. Never attach connectors by force. Damage to a connector or the slot can lead to the failure of an entire component. After the display connectors, the battery connector can now be attached. You should always attach it last, to avoid short circuits during the repair. Carefully fold the display around. Before you close your iPhone 12 for good, we recommend testing the replacement part and other basic functions. This way, you can make sure that your repair was successful. Turn on your iPhone. If something does not work properly after the repair, check again if everything is installed and attached correctly. If everything works properly, you can reinstall the cover plates. Close your iPhone 12 again. Disconnect all screen connectors. Attaching a new frame sticker. To make sure that the new frame sticker will really stick, remove all glue residue and dirt. Remove the first protective film layer of the frame sticker. Position the frame sticker carefully on one edge, and attach it gradually. Make sure the frame sticker is positioned evenly, and press it on. Please make sure the frame sticker is positioned correctly. Each corner has a different shape, which you can use for orientation. Remove the remaining layers of film. An iPhone repaired with a frame sticker will be protected against dust and spray water, but it will not be 100% waterproof. Reconnect the screen to the rest of the case. Attach the 3 connectors by carefully pressing them one after the other on the logic board. Installing the cover plates. Position the 2 cover plates over the connectors. The screw holes help you with the alignment. Screw the cover plates together with the Y-type screws. Carefully fold it over and press it evenly into the rear case, so that it clicks into place. When folding down the screen, make sure not to pinch any flex cables. At the end of the repair, fastening the pentalobe screws. Connect the display to the rear case by screwing tight a pentalobe screw to the left and right of the lightning connector. Congratulations! You can use your new phone again. If you receive a defective screen or have any problems during installation, please don't be anxious. Contact our customer service via email, and we will give you a satisfactory solution. Thank you for choosing FOOBONG.